Yes, guys, good morning and welcome back to a new video. All-time high for Bitcoin. You know, the thing is, I want to teach you guys to think away the euphoric feeling in this case, because yes, we hit it all-time high, but yes, we came for sell-side liquidity and you could see a sharp rejection. That means that the big guys are literally taking profits. And what you also see now on the daily time frame, or on the 4-hour time frame, excuse me, is that we're retracing the 618, right? Once you retrace the 618, you actually confirm bearish order flow, right? Because you're making lower highs and they're sweeping liquidity of people who are going short, get liquidated or sell their position out of fear because they think that the price will go up more, right? So guys, again, be careful with long positions. To be honest, I'm in a short position myself. You know, the rule is not to short in a bull market, but you know, once I see my model playing out bearish or bullish, I just take it, right? Without any emotions. And that's one of the things I do. I trade for a living. I trade my model. And if I see my model, I trade it, right? So guys, I want to show you what you can expect for BTC, what you can expect for Ethereum, and what we can expect for the rest of the week, right? In case of price action. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again. And I did some homework, of course, and this is literally the 618 retracement on the 1-hour time frame in this case. So I thought it was the 4-hour, it's the 1 hour. So you can see that the 618 is respected here. You're rejecting, so you're actually confirming bearish order flow, right? We came for sell side liquidity above this wicks here of people who are still shorting, so, or people who are taking profits here on the top, right? So now, again, guys, I entered a short position here, you know, it was a little bit risky, but, you know, I took it and I saw a sharp rejection. I saw a swing high coming up. So I opened a short position at this body close candle, literally, right? You know, if you want to follow this kind of trades, join the Crypto Gainers. The link is in the description. If you go to the videos today's description, you can see here, this link here, join the Crypto Gainers free community. Once you click it, you get redirected to the Discord server, read the guidelines, click verify. Once you're verified, you will see that a lot of channels appear here and you're good to go, right? So again, guys, be careful with long positions. Now you can see that this 618 is retraced and we filled up this fair value gap here. And, you know, till where can we expect downside? From my opinion, the first level we need to hold is 118.5k. Second level we need to hold 116.5k, right? That's a little bit what I'm expecting now. One flush out to eventually go crazy in week 2 and week 3, right? We're entering the first week of the month. So they're a little bit shitty to trade in case of volume. The second week and the third week are the best weeks to trade, right? So we have 2 days of empty fat events, so expect manipulation, in this case to the downside. What I tell you guys many times before is once they sweep up, you can expect downside. Once they sweep down, you can expect upside, right? That's a little bit how it works in this market, you know? Again, be careful. In case of Ethereum, you know, you can see on Ethereum on the daily time frame that Ethereum came for the 786. So we had a nice retracement on the 786 here. And we came for sell side liquidity, right? People were shorting, putting their stop loss here, price comes back, stop them out to eventually go down again, right? It's a little bit tricky now at the moment because there's a possibility that people taking profits on BTC in this premium market and money can flow back into Ethereum. So we have to check the dominance chart, because what you see actually is BTC started pumping and you can see that dominance goes up. So there's a sort of rotation happening now at the moment. So I will not say that altcoin season starts now at this moment, but you can see that the volume and liquidity flows into Ethereum now, right? That there's a rotation happening. So guys, again, if you want to trade BTC or Ethereum, go to today's video's description, the top link here, Crypto Gainers BTCC collaboration. Once you click this link, you will land on this landing page. So you can see that we have a collaboration here. You get 10% deposit bonus extra on your deposit with a maximum of 10K. Once you fill in your email address and your password, you will receive a 30 USDT for free immediately as an airdrop in your account without any deposit you can use for leverage trading, right? So again, guys, be careful with long positions. Retracement for BTC, expect more downside, and in case of Fed events, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are very important. Follow me on X. I keep you guys updated on X. So guys, a quick update on BTC and Ethereum. You know, join the Crypto Gainers, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.